Hi everybody, as promised, we're in the kitchen now cooking something delicious and healthy for our eyes with Claudia. Do you like to cook?
I love to cook.
By the way, we're not cooking anything here. It's all raw. And raw is really good for the eyes and the body.
Yes, because the vitamins are in their full capacity, and so yes, it's ideal.
So we talked about leafy greens out there with the macular degeneration. So here's some kale from my garden. We've got green and purple curly kale. And the purple has more anthocyanins. The deeper the color, the more anthocyanins, which is anti-inflammatory, which is anti-diabetic, and it just helps with your whole entire body. And they say hail to the kale because it is one of the healthiest greens on the planet. And with that, it has some asparagus and Brussels sprouts and a turmeric dressing. So we're going to get right to it. And Claudia's going to help me make this dressing. Please start with lemon juice. It's a 1/4 cup of lemon juice. And just pour a little half of that water in. 1/2 cup of tahini. I get the raw, no oil added, no salt added tahini. Some maple syrup, a couple tablespoons. Turmeric powder. And this is garlic. And then we have cumin and a little cayenne. So let's blend this baby up. Okay, that's good. In the meantime, let's create our kale salad. So here's all these beautiful kale. And one thing I love to do, I like to eat asparagus raw. I like it cooked too. Don't get me wrong, I love it. But it's nuttier, it's crispier. It's kind of like my crouton. And we also have some Brussels sprouts. You know, it tastes really good roasted. It tastes really good steamed, but it's so healthy raw. And I just like to cut it in half and just quickly shave it. And it makes it really easy to eat. If you try to eat one raw that's whole, it's not so easy. But if you slice it, it's kind of like chewing for you, so you don't have to.
I love that. I've never tried it that way,
So I found marigolds in my garden because Claudia said, tell us about marigolds.
Marigolds are, when you buy eye vitamins, they have that lutein zeaxanthin that's in kale as well. But they're usually the vitamins are made from marigolds because they have very high levels. And there's different kinds of marigolds. So I don't know exactly about this particular kind, but they are very high.
There's orange, there's yellow,
Right,
but they're all those deep, beautiful pigments.
They're
very healthy.
And that's really, really good. And these are edible flowers, so
yes,
delicious.
Absolutely. Okay, so we have the kale and the asparagus and the Brussels sprouts and goji berries. Goji berries are very, very healthy, and it's so delicious with this. So you've got kind of the bitterness of the kale, and then you put these sweet goji berries.
And you soak them, right?
Yes, you soak them first and get them nice and soft. And then we are going to dress this delicious salad. We could have added a little bit more water to make it more pourable, but that's okay because it's going to dress the salad beautifully. Okay, you ready, Claudia?
I am.
So pretty and delicious. And then for the special edition of marigold flowers. Claudia, you be the judge.
So good.
You like it?
Mm-hmm.
You taste the
I don't
cayenne?
miss the salt or any of this.
No.
The cayenne could be a little bit more.
Oh! This recipe's on Garden of Eydie, and it'll be on your channel too, and it's going to be fun, fun, fun. You have to try it. It's really good.